All right, Unit 4, Lesson 3, Level 9, Scope Issues. Code.org is telling you exactly what is wrong here. There is a bug that has been created by using the keyword var to declare a local variable. This is on line 8. Why is this a problem? The scope of a variable defines where it is accessible in our program based on where it is created. Just because we create a variable in one place in our program doesn't mean it's going to be accessible from everywhere in our script. Global scope contains all of the things defined outside of all code blocks. A code block, I'll show you, is between these curly braces. And as we progress in our programming skills, you will find that a code block consists of group statements inside of these curly braces and a conditional statement, also known as an if statement, a loop, and as you can see here clearly, a function. All are structures that create a code block. A global variable has global scope. A global variable is accessible from anywhere within our larger framework of code. Local scope, such as we see here between lines 4 and 10, is only accessible where it is declared. So, by using the keyword var, we have declared a new variable on line 8. It is not the same variable as line 2. And in fact, the warning right here, clicks is defined, but it is not called in your program, should be a very big clue for us. This is why, as fledgling programmers, Code.org is trying to save us from ourselves by telling us to always and only create global variables. This is fine for now and will make your life a lot easier. By using global variables, we can access those variable values from anywhere within our program. As you develop as a programmer, you will understand why and when and how to use local variables. But for now, just make all of your variables global. This means avoid using the keyword var as we see on line 8, right here. So let's go ahead and run the code as it is right now. When you hit the button, you get this, NaN. What does that stand for? It stands for not a number. In this case, our clicks essentially are undefined. They're not defined as 0. They are defined as clicks plus 1. Clicks doesn't exist for this local variable outside because we're declaring it right here. So the best way to fix this is just to remove the keyword var. Now what's going to happen is line 2 is going to be the value from line 8 when we click the button. So now if I reset and I run and I click the button, it works as expected. It has been defined and assigned on line 2 and reassigned on line 8. So now every time we click the button, it goes up by 1. Hit the finish button and you're done.